Alright, so today I am getting a new mod, well, some new mods. Yeah. Alright, so my boy in the car club hooked me up for me. We got a lot going on here over at his house today. We got a lot of people here. I'm gonna show y'all in a minute though. They having whole conversations and whatnot.
I didn't even get those. I didn't even get those King Tire. I got those from
what? Sour Patch?
the only ones I got from King. Yes. Same. The only ones I got.
Thing one. Got this nice Daytona right here. We're gonna take a look at my car in a second.
Continue to do that shit. They gonna
hold on, let me turn the camera around.
Every time I get.
Alright, let's check out Sour Patch right here. Make sure y'all check him out on Instagram. I feel like he'll probably start a YouTube channel soon. So make sure y'all go follow him on Instagram. We got thing one. Just dirty.
Well, you remember what we were saying about? Like we've been talking about that shit for.
My car is kind of lifted right now.
Like your boy.
Let's go check out the Grinch car. Alright, so he's the one who's doing the work for me. Got this Grinch theme going on. He don't have his badge. He got the Grinch badge, but it's a Hellcat. It's bagged. Oh shoot, he was racing. Got them slicks on there. Make sure y'all follow him on Instagram. I think he'll probably have a YouTube soon too. I love the green. Just stands out a lot. Alright, make sure if you have not subscribed to my channel that you hit that subscribe button. They're still doing a little bit more fire right now.
Christian. Yeah.
So I'm just kind of walking around with other stuff right now.
Took the other one out. You need to do it. I know.
Kind of around here.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna get back to y'all when once it's finished.
I ain't know.
Alright. Alright, so here's the ghost remote. Ooh. I like that. I might have to end up getting the ghost remote. I don't think I...
Yeah, he added it after the fact.
But don't you need the 4 series for it to work?
Yeah.
For her, she can choose.
No, you gotta have fun. You gotta have fun for it to do all that.
Well, I guess I won't be getting it
It's
then.
always running. The only problems I might have, I don't know if it's a problem yet. I'm trying to test it. What's the battery? I got that eliminated. That's why I added the skill.
Alright, so he said he did a little extra work and connected my signals in the front.
Yeah, I wasn't gonna do the fog lights.
already. Who the fuck?
Oh,
Somebody
snap.
Said you would have to wire all those up though. There's like 8. She got like 8 pockets. And he probably got damn just as many because he's doing fog lights and stuff too.
Did you tell him? He gonna be mad. I'm telling you.
I slipped up and said it. I was just like, hey.
I ain't know you could do that.
That'll be all right.
Really?
How to wire all that stuff up.
So is the inside lights is it running off a different app?
I think all of she brought me like 3 different things, so I think you had like 3 different apps.
Okay.
So. But I guess whenever you turn one on mode, you
They're not all
know.
the same brand. They're not all the same brand.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, he showed me. Yeah, they went.
And then that one, the grill one, that was like another Underglow kit.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
I was like, well, got 4 of them. I'm gonna shove them somewhere. So either they gonna be bright as hell or something. But I shoved all 4 of them in there. Now I just gotta run this one side. Once it's connected, everything is on.
Look good. Oh man, I miss being.
You miss your light?
lit.
Yeah.
It's a lot more work when it's not flow trees. Like,
Yeah.
man, I still got 1 more today. I'm like,
Oh, you doing this green
yo,
car here?
man, me tired for the day.
Thank
That
you.
green one, I gotta.
He's gonna take his bumper off, huh? You ain't gonna.
Yeah, I'm taking the bumper, and I showed him how to do that, so I'm gonna see if he got it. So if he got it, then tonight all I had to do is just open them up, and I show him how to do that, and then first thing in the morning, like 8 again, then he'll be done. I gotta let that glue dry.
I got a question for you. Is this clip broke or something? Like it was hanging before you brought it to y'all. But is it broke under there or something?
No, it looked like it could probably pop back up in there. Yeah, I see.
That's the clip he's talking about.
It was like
It's been hanging like that
I don't think it was like that when we bought it.
I think it was.
She did something.
It was like that when we got it.
No, it wasn't.
It was.
Here's something.
No, it's been like that since we brought it to the house.
Nah, that shit was.
He said something as soon as I parked it.
Man, this is what I'm wondering. Hopefully this reached this other side over here.
Oh shoot.
I don't think it is, but it's a wash split come off of it. It might spread up over there, but I sure hope so. Because I got to get a coat hanger and try to fish it through because there's holes all along that bumper, so I sure hope it fits.
These are the things you deal with when
It's like with
doing.
the other
like-
brand,
Things
you
you
know,
do
if
with Underglow.
something ain't long enough, you know, I got plenty of extensions and shit. We can always open this up. But we'll see. I think so. 'Cause like I said, it's a wash split on it. And then another thing, this thing got so many boxes. I'm trying to put them all right here. That way, if something else goes wrong, you ain't got to take the whole bump out. You can come up and reach behind. But if it's too much showing right there, then like on the Hellcats, we got like a cover that goes right here, but everything is right there. 'Cause there were so many boxes.
It's
Try to
in there like it zips out or something.
It's not. Yeah, it's not gonna move around. All that stuff is there. But if you want, like I said, I know the Hellcats come with a cover, and they cover it right there.
But old boy gonna get me killed on the son. With the little white car, he put the Hellcat still on it. No one I drive like old woman.
He probably wasn't expecting for my car to be a pain in the butt like this.
He got around me. Bring your ass on, you a Hellcat.
Damn that 24, maybe 36 hours. You ain't gotta wait. You ain't gotta wait 2 days.
So this is the Grinch /
I
Harold.
had it.
They be having that mean like got a Hellcat engine in it.
Huh?
Yeah,
That's the one that
specifically. Yeah.
shit would be bad as hell.
They nice though. They got a lot of room in them.
All right. So what did you do here?
We started with. Let's see. Well, we'll go with the Underglows first. Got them all put on. tucked away where you can't see it no matter how far back you walk.
Can't see nothing.
Then we did the headlights. Opted for the DRL boards and the halos and the fog lights. We got those done, and then did the grill lights. So everything is all on separate apps. You can control them all separate. Or if you want to do lighting trims, put them all on one app. It's all up to you. However you want it, it's your car.
It's looking good.
Usually within 24 hours, 36 max if you come with a lot of lights, but get it done within a day.
And he does good work. So y'all make sure y'all come check my boy out.
Nice clean install.
Yep.
Nighttime would be crazy.
It's already bright.
And you want people to hit you up on Instagram?
Yeah, the Grinch _Hellcat, or you can do Facebook, Harold Heath, HAROLD HEATH. But normally Instagram is fine.
Yeah, make
Or
sure
if
y'all
you
hit
catch
up.
me in Houston, I'm sure
Flag
I'll
'em
be
down.
somewhere at the graffiti wall or Mopar Mafia. Hit up one of us and they'll get in touch with me. So either way.
First time I'll see you in person then. I see you calling me.
And I put the everything on the video too, so y'all be able to find them. And thank you.